All right, crypto holders, are you ready? It is going to be insane. I'm going to explain to you what I'm talking about here in just a minute. But before we get into this, we're going to talk about the overall state of the union of crypto right now. We're up 2% right now, 2,230,000,000,000 and change. We got Bitcoin up a little bit less than a point. Ethereum up 3. Ethereum's been running harder. You can see it right here in the last 7 days. Ethereum's been up 16% compared to, say, Bitcoin up 9. And you can see it here in this chart right here. Now, I got to give a shout out. This is my software, X1 Algo, that 4 days ago gave a buy alert for Ethereum, and we're up just shy of 15%. Now, to put that in perspective, if you had bought $2,000 of Ethereum off that buy alert, you had already have made over $300 in profit. Okay. And so links are in the description below if you want to try it. Look, there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. So said a different way, you really get to try the software for free. For 30 days, if you don't like it, you get a complete refund. The quarterly option is the best. And there's a discount code down there that makes the software cost really about $1 a day. Okay. And it gives you these buy and sell alerts, takes the blinders off so you know when to buy and you know when to sell. All right. So check it out and just take it to a test spin. It's easy. It's cool. Okay. So what I want to share with you about kind of it's about to begin is this chart here from my friends over at Rect Capital. And here it is. The transitional phase has begun. Bitcoin is in the process of transitioning from its reaccumulation phase. I'll explain that in a minute, to its parabolic upside phase, not phrase. There you go. Okay. So let me move the picture of me so you guys can see that text right there. Okay. So here's what I want to share with you. Take a look. Okay. So if you go back and look at 2020 and you see the blue line in 2020 represents the halving event that happened in 2020. The pink box was a 161 days. Sorry about that. Haven't had my caffeine yet. It was 161 days. That's how long that pink box lasted after the accumulation phase. Sorry, after the halving. Oh my goodness. Okay. So that pink box is the post-halving reaccumulation, and the green box is the parabolic upside phase, where we saw Bitcoin go from 11,000 and change to its all-time high at that time, north of 68,000. Yay. Okay. So now fast forward to now. Blue line is the halving event we had in April. The pink box, you can see we're almost done. We're coming up on 161 days. Actually, we're at about 157 days right now. So we're 4 days away from that being done with that pink halving reaccumulation box. Get that right, which means we're about to enter into the green box, that massive parabolic run. That's what I'm talking about. That's why the title of this video is, it is about to begin. Are you ready? Are your bags packed? Now, here's what I want to state. Look, it's not going to happen with a bang. Somebody's not going to show up on your front door and go, it has begun. That's what this video is about. Okay. It's not going to happen that way. It's simply not. Okay. It's going to happen with a whimper, not a bang. And what I mean by that is it's going to kind of start like it is now, where you're seeing Bitcoin just kind of gradually itch up, like right here. You can see Bitcoin in the last 6 days is up 8%, just kind of gradually does this little 1 or 2 or 3% thing on a daily basis. But you aggregate that up, you add it up, you sum that up, and over a period of time, it really adds up. Okay. So that's how it's going to happen. It's not like Bitcoin's going to go up 15% in 1 day, or Ethereum's going to go up 25% in 1 day, right? I hope you get my point. It's going to start with a whimper, not with a bang. And in fact, there's people out there that are discussing, some people that I really respect. It already has kind of started. You're seeing it right here, right now in this chart. Now, will we have some pullbacks along the way? Sure. That's how it works. It goes up, comes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, go down. But that's really what I wanted to make you aware of. Per this chart, we are officially 4 days away from being in the exact time frame where the RAN began back in 2020. And so there's some hyperbole and discussion going around right now. Cannot talk today. My goodness. It's already began. So are you ready? Have you made your buys? I've been telling you guys this in videos. I've been buying Bitcoin. I've been buying Ethereum. I've been buying Caspa. I've been buying major assets that I like that are still depressed They're still down dramatically from their all-time highs of a couple of years ago. And that's what I've been doing. Are you ready? Have you gotten your financial house in order so that you can take advantage of this and you can benefit from this run that's coming? By the way, it's going to be a 1 year plus run, probably peaking in October of 2025. Are you ready? It's starting. It's going to be insane in a good way. Later.